Having trouble understanding what you're looking at on the RedNote app despite already changing the app language? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to translate text on the RedNote app. Now let's get started. To get the translate option in the RedNote app, first ensure that your RedNote app is updated to the newest available version. Open the App Store on your device and check for any updates. Once you've updated the app to the newest version, you should see that post captions, comments, messages, and any other text that may not be automatically translated by changing your app language preferences will now have a small translate button beside or underneath them. Simply tap Translate to get an instant translation of the text. This makes it easier to understand comments and other text that is not controlled by the app's language settings. If you have an iPhone, another workaround to translate text is to take a screenshot of the text and open it up in your Photos app, and select the text you want to translate. Then tap Translate. This workaround is a little more time-consuming, but if the Translate option isn't appearing in the RedNote app for you yet, it's a useful little trick in the meantime. That's all it takes to translate text on the RedNote app. To learn more about using RedNote, check out our Beginner's Guide to RedNote next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.